Hey everyone, recently, LG unveiled a brand new monitor designed with consumers on a tight budget who value fast refresh rates in mind. The 24.5-inch 25MS500 model has an amazing 100Hz refresh rate and a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It is now available on JD.com for 629 yuan, or roughly $87. Because of these qualities, it's a desirable option for both gamers and regular users who want fluid graphics and less motion blur, particularly when scrolling through material or during intense gaming sessions. In addition to its core specifications, the monitor offers a brightness of 250 nits, a 1000:1 contrast ratio, and a 5 milliseconds response time (GTG). These specifications ensure decent image quality and performance for everyday tasks and multimedia entertainment. Known for its wide viewing angles and good color reproduction. While the exact color gamut coverage is not explicitly stated, the monitor is advertised to cover 72% of the NTSC color gamut, which should suffice for most everyday uses. The LG 25MS500 prioritizes functionality with its tilt-adjustable stand for ergonomic positioning, and includes two HDMI 1.4 ports for connecting to a PC or other devices. Additionally, a 3.5mm headphone jack is provided for easy headphone connectivity. The LG 25MS500 is a 24.5-inch monitor model that has been launched on JD.com, with a starting price of 629 yuan, which is approximately equivalent to $87. While the monitor may not cater to professional content creators due to its more basic color gamut coverage, it offers a compelling feature set for casual users and budget-conscious gamers. With its affordable price point and emphasis on high refresh rates, the LG presents itself as a solid option for those looking for a no-frills yet performance-oriented monitor. In conclusion, the LG strikes a balance between performance, affordability, and functionality, making it a solid choice for users seeking a reliable and budget-friendly high refresh rate monitor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.